We are around 5 years old. We are probably the last brand, one of the last brands to have entered. But we already have a large customer base. We have over 1,700 satisfied customers for Audi. Last year, just a quick statistics, I think we closed with 464 vehicles, as I shared with most of you in the past. We also, some of you are aware, we also have, Vizag now has an address for Audi. Audi Visakhapatnam opened 4-5 months back, I think, and what I would like to share is, apart from being the market leader, we have the distinction of garnering a 50% market share. It's a very short tenure, just around 5 months, but I think we've been able to garner 50% market share. So once again, thanks to all our customers in this regard. With regard to the Audi A3 sedan, this is the first compact luxury sedan in India. So it's one more first from the Audi stable. In terms of design, it has a coupe-like design. So from every angle, it looks very, very sporty. It inherits all the genes of a typical Audi in terms of luxury, in terms of style. So it is a welcome addition to the Audi family. The A3 has also been adjudged as the World Car of the Year 2014. In terms of the product features, let me first talk about the engine. The Audi is available on 2 engine platforms, both petrol and diesel. The petrol is a 1.8 liter TDI and the diesel is a 2 liter, the petrol is a 1.8 liter TFSI and the diesel is a 2 liter TDI, generating 180 PS and 143 PS respectively. It does 0 to 100 in a staggering 7.3 seconds. Under test conditions, the mileage is phenomenal. Under test conditions, it offers a mileage of approximately 20 kilometers per liter, which is a huge thing. Transmission, it is fitted with a dual S-type. And this whole vehicle is packed with luxury, right from the Milano leather seats to the infotainment system, to the 7-inch infotainment system, to the MMI, to the touchscreen, to the MMI Plus, to the air conditioning, to the reverse camera, to the 7 airbags. It is loaded with luxury features, and I can say probably this is a luxury sedan without compromise. Apart from all of these features, it also has a huge boot space. It has a boot space of 425 liters. So this is a car which will truly take the Audi compact segment by storm, and we are sure that, as I said earlier, it will help us consolidate our leadership position in Andhra Pradesh, in Telangana and in Andhra Pradesh. So the media, I am happy to take any questions if you have any. I think looking at the demand going up, I'm sure Audi India will try to improve the availability, but the demand for the car has been very overwhelming, and that's the reason I think we are, and this is very specific to A3. We have actually had almost around 27 to 28 bookings, which have confirmed. I think 27 till the morning when I checked. So there are 27 bookings which are already there in the system.
Is there any customization options in A3 sedan?
Yeah, there are
29 lakhs is 59,000 is the basic price.
Yeah.
What are the top end?
Yeah, so as the car, as you go in, there is a base model, and you can decide what you want in terms of the engine configuration, in terms of the leather, in terms of the infotainment system, in terms of so many options. So as you decide to choose those options, there is a variable price.
Who will be the main competitor in sedan segment?
Fortunately for this particular segment, it's like I said earlier, it's a compact sedan. And compact sedan at this point of time, while we have other competitors there at this price point, in terms of three-box compact sedan, there is, fortunately for us, as of now, we don't have anybody there.